If your Mazda 6 shows the Battery Management System Malfunction warning, it means the vehicle's battery monitoring system has detected a problem with voltage, charging, or sensor communication. The battery management system tracks battery condition and helps control charging efficiency, so when it malfunctions, the car may disable features like iStop or trigger warning lights on the dashboard. Try these. 1. Check the battery condition. Inspect the battery terminals for corrosion or loose connections and make sure the battery voltage is around 12.4 to 12.7 volts with the engine off. 2. Inspect the battery sensor and wiring. Look at the battery current sensor attached to the negative terminal and ensure the wiring harness is not loose or damaged. 3. Reset the system. Disconnect the negative battery terminal for about 10 to 15 minutes, then reconnect it to allow the system to recalibrate. 4. Check the alternator output. With the engine running, the charging voltage should typically be around 13.7 to 14.5 volts. 5. Scan for error codes. Use an OBD2 scanner to check for battery or charging system codes and clear them after fixing the issue.